Video 879, BFJ 179, source code right here. Let's get going. System index. We've added a new subsystem within the functions only section. Beneath PNG save, we have a new system called CLIMATH, and that stands for click math, aka mouse coordinate math. Within const macros by system, we have stubbed in the constant data section for CLIMATH. Nothing should ever go in here because it's a function-only system. Within data by system, we've stubbed in the section for the data for CLIMATH. Nothing should go in here as well because it is a function-only system. But for the regularity of the project, these two sections, the constant section and data section, are required. This is the click math function section beneath PNG save, and we've stubbed in two functions, mouse position X and tile size converted to global tile X. Here's our inputs here. We're gonna do the logic in another video. We also have the Y version, mouse pixel Y tile size converted to global tile Y. So we have the input, mouse position, and tile size. We'll do the math in another video. In keyboard fuck around mode functions, in our click drag handler, we were doing an illegal forward reference to mouse master, but we have swapped out the namespace here from mouse master to CLIMATH, and now we might steal the guts from the mouse master function and put them into these functions in like the next video or something. But now the illegal forward reference that was here in video 878, that was due to our refactor, that illegal forward reference that was here in 878 is now gone. A little footnote of misspellings of CLIMATH. Like if we say click math, cursor math, or like mow math, we mean CLIMATH, right? And then what we did in this video. Okay, if you want a longer explanation, go here. You're on the fast playlist here. Tech demos only, source code, ways to get a hold of me. My name's Kanji Coder. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.